How to Get Remote Jobs Abroad as a Nigerian Youth Step by Step by Joseph Iyaji of Akahi News. The global job market has changed dramatically in recent years, and remote work is now a major game changer. For Nigerian youths, remote jobs abroad offer a golden opportunity to earn in foreign currency, gain international experience, and escape the challenges of unemployment at home. The good news is that you don't need to leave Nigeria to work for companies in the US, UK, Canada, or other countries. If you have the right skills and follow the right steps, you can secure remote jobs that pay well and give you global exposure. This guide provides a step by step approach for Nigerian youths looking to land remote work abroad. Step 1: Identify skills in high demand. The first step to getting remote jobs abroad is learning skills companies actually need. Some top in demand skills for remote work include tech skills, web development, software engineering, cybersecurity, data analysis, cloud computing, digital marketing, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, content writing. Design skills, UI, UX design, graphic design, video editing, animation. Virtual assistance, customer support, project management, administrative assistance. Language and content, copywriting, translation, transcription, proofreading. You can learn many of these skills online for free or at low cost through platforms like Coursera, Udemy, Skillshare, and YouTube. Step 2: Build a strong online portfolio. After learning the skills, the next step is to show proof of your ability. International employers want to see what you can do before hiring you. Create sample projects to demonstrate your skills. Use platforms like GitHub for coding projects, Behance or Dribble for design, and Medium or LinkedIn for writing samples. Build a simple portfolio website with tools like Wix or WordPress to showcase your work professionally. Remember, a good portfolio increases your chances of getting hired even if you have no prior job experience. Step 3: Set up a professional online presence. Employers abroad often look you up online before making hiring decisions. To create a professional presence, open a LinkedIn account and fill in your profile completely. Use a professional looking profile picture. Write a compelling bio summarizing your skills and experience. Share valuable content related to your industry to get noticed. Also, join online communities on Slack, Discord, and Facebook groups where remote job opportunities are frequently shared. Step 4: Register on remote job platforms. Several platforms connect freelancers and remote workers with employers abroad. Popular ones include Upwork for various freelance skills, Fiverr for gigs and projects, TopTal for top tech talent, FlexJobs for professional remote jobs. We work remotely, remote.co, and Remotive for remote job listings. LinkedIn Jobs for full-time and part-time remote roles. Create profiles on these platforms, fill them with strong descriptions of your skills, and start applying for jobs. Step 5: Write winning applications. When applying for remote jobs, your proposal or cover letter matters a lot. Follow these tips. Personalize each application. Don't send the same copy paste message to every employer. Highlight your skills, experience, and portfolio. Explain how you can solve the employer's problem, not just what you do. Keep it clear and professional. Remember, employers abroad prefer workers who communicate clearly and meet deadlines. Step 6. Set up payment channels. Most foreign employers pay through platforms like Payoneer, Wise, formerly TransferWise, PayPal, not fully available in Nigeria but works through some verified methods. Crypto payments, if acceptable to you. Having at least one reliable payment channel ready makes it easy to get paid once you land jobs. Step 7. Keep improving and networking. The remote work market is competitive, so keep learning new tools, upgrading your skills, and connecting with other remote workers. Attend online workshops, webinars, and networking events to stay ahead. Final thoughts. Landing remote jobs abroad as a Nigerian youth takes skill, consistency, and smart networking. The good news is that many Nigerians are already earning in dollars and pounds from the comfort of their homes. If you start today, focus on in demand skills, and apply strategically, you too can join the global remote workforce. Visit Akahi News at www.akahinews.org.